morning. It is 6:30 a.m. The boat trip to Oriental, North Carolina is done. We are getting ready to head home. At least Andy and I are. My dad's staying here for another couple weeks. Clean my bunk out. Got everything packed up.
Ready for this? This part here. So there you go.
Trouble in Paradise Take 2. We're in Newport, North Carolina, trying to get a rental car to go back to Delaware. There are no rental cars to be had. There's apparently a shortage here. Cars don't get returned to these enterprise locations, which doesn't surprise me because we are in the middle of nowhere. It sounds like everybody wants to run away from this place as fast as they can. Working with my man Kenneth inside. We just got a ride from, I think his name's Paul. We're gonna see if these guys can get us a car to go home. Would you look at this thing? We're riding in style today, boys.
Oh, you got trusted, man.
You guys want to trade? Woo! Look out, ladies. It barely fit. Like a couple inches to spare. We got it all in. It's fortunate I did not bring my other bag. Forgot all my clothes on the boat. We got a car. We ended up heading north back to Delaware, where I spent a few days before heading north for the snowboarding season. How you been? Wanna go for a hike? Put it there. Oh, good boy. Oh, thank you. First day back at the parents' crib, he went to make myself some coffee, and I obviously don't have any beans here. I took them all to the boat, nor do I have any Kerrygold, so we're gonna go out. We're gonna grab some supplies, and then we're going on a hike. We're going to White Clay Creek State Park with my buddy Andy, his girlfriend Lisa. We are not dreaming with the salted, but who's that around? How you guys been? Hey! After hanging out with Andy and Lisa, I went and met up with my younger brother Matthew, who took me mountain biking for my first time. Check it out. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's so cold. Wait for me! shit. Oh, I made that one.
All by myself.
Oh shit. Oh shit, this isn't the trail.
All by myself.
Hey, what's right here? Downshift,
Yeah.
upshift.
Okay.
You push it this way though to upshift.
Okay.
If you click it multiple times though, multiple shifts.
Something just happened. Your chain popped. Yep. Oh God. Oh, Matthew! Fuck! I thought I was dead! The Matthew was, hey, I think I'm dead, help.
Yeah, and I was like, man, I wonder if he's trying to keep up.
I was!
This part I always fuck up.
Nailed it! You!
Nailed it. Oh,
Shout out to my younger brother for the first ever mountain biking adventure. I fell 6 times. 6 total times, the worst one being the first where I landed on my dome. Fortunately, I had my helmet from 4th grade, the ProTech, holding up really good. We're dreaming. What is up, guys? Wrapped up the Oriental, North Carolina Intracoastal Waterway boat trip. We're going Delaware to Rhode Island, 5 hours and 18 minutes through New York. I hate this drive with every ounce of my being, but we're gonna knock it out. We're gonna get home and we are gonna start editing and running and preparing my body for the hectic winter ahead. I love you guys so much. I will see you at home.